Hello students, today we are going to start next chapter, Seeds and Seeds, class 5 EVS. This chapter, the objectives are, we will discuss in this session about from where do we get seeds, different type of seeds, what we can do with seeds, how can we grow a plant from seed, essential conditions to grow a plant, harvesting of crops, tools needed in agriculture, and journey of seed from the field to the market. So first of all, we get different kinds of seeds from plants. We get seeds from the plants like paddy, cucumber, pine cone, flowers. Flowers also give seeds, watermelon, and other nuts. Many more seeds are there we get from the fruit, flower, or seed of a plant to grow a new plant. Watch the seed grow. When we grow a seed, when we bury a seed in a pit, it starts growing, and like this, first of all, the sprout comes out of it, and the sprout starts growing towards sunlight and gets out of the soil, and then leaves come from the stem. Can you grow seeds? Yes, we can grow seeds. Where do seeds come from? Now, from where do we get seeds? Seeds come from plants only. Seeds come from the same plant. A seed can grow into a tall tree. A small seed can grow into a very tall tree. A seed can grow into a tiny flower. A seed can become a pumpkin plant or a sunflower. Seeds grow into many different kind of plants. How do we know what a seed will become? A seed becomes the kind of plant it comes from. The seed you find in watermelon grow into watermelon plant. So, जिस प्लांट से वो सीड हमें मिल रहा है, उस सीड से वही प्लांट बनेगा. The seed inside an apple only grow into apple tree. Apple seeds can never grow into orange trees. So, the seed we get from the plant will grow into the same plant. What do seeds need to grow? Now we know that we get seeds from plants. If we want to grow a seed, we should know what are the conditions that are necessary to grow a seed. So seed needs water. The rain is water. Rain helps many seeds to grow. Rain is the main source of water for seeds, but we can irrigate the plants also. Main source of water for many trees and plants. Seeds also need good soil. So the second condition for growing a seed is soil. Good soil. The seed grows up through the soil. Seeds need sunlight. Soil, water, and sunlight are what most seeds need to become plant. Now you are ready to plant your own seed because we know the conditions required to plant a seed. Now we can plant a seed. To plant a seed, we have to dig the soil. What do seed need to grow? Air, water, sunshine and minerals. Air, water, sunshine from sun and minerals from the soil. Now you can grow a seed in the soil and watch its growth. Seeds growing into a plant. When we grow a seed into the soil, it comes out like this from the soil. So, what can you do with the seeds? We can do many activities with the seeds. Seeds are very important for our life. First of all, we can eat seeds. Seeds are our food as wheat, rice, maize, gram, pulses. All these are seeds we eat in our daily life. We cannot live without these grains. You can collect seeds. We can collect seeds. These seeds are collected and used for whole the year. You can study seeds. We can study about the seeds, about their nature, about their nutrition, about their requirement, about their storage. We can study and how we can grow new plants from the seeds. You can make things with seeds. We can make different things with seeds, different dishes, and we can use seeds in different types. Like we can take an example of wheat. गेहूं का ही अगर हम एग्जाम्पल लें तो गेहूं से हम रोटी बनाते हैं. We make roti, we make bread, we make दलिया and मैदा. Many more things are made with maida. So, and seeds are also used to grow new plants. So, seeds play a very important role in our life. Here are some seeds we eat like peas, maize and beans. Seeds of beans are also eaten like rajma. Seeds of sunflower, seeds of strawberry, seed of coconut, seeds of many grains, pulses. All many seeds are there which we eat directly. Seeds make vegetable plants. Many seeds are grow into grains. Many seeds grow into vegetables. Many seeds grow into fruits. Different seeds grow into different plants. So these are the seeds of different vegetables like maize and chili, peas. There are seeds of carrots, pumpkins, ginger and gourd, bitter gourd. There are many seeds which grow into vegetables and those vegetables we use in our meal. Seeds make fruit plants. Fruit plants are also grown from the seeds and we get fruits which give us nutrition, vitamins and prevent many diseases. How are seeds planted? So now we will learn about the process of planting seeds. Process of planting seeds. We see many trees and plants around us that we have not grown. बहुत से पेड़ पौधे हमारे आसपास ऐसे होते हैं जो हमने नहीं उगाए होते, वो फिर भी उग जाते हैं. तो किसी न किसी सीड से ही उगे हैं. वो सीड कहाँ से आया? तो सीड के ग्रो होने के बहुत से कारण होते हैं. पहला है सीड्स फॉल टू द ग्राउंड. When a seed falls from the tree or plant to the ground, then it grows. Seeds are carried by winds. When seeds are carried by winds, winds also take the seeds from one place to another place. Seeds can also be carried from one place to another place with the help of water, like in the on the banks of river. The plants, the trees that are grown on the bank of river, when their seed falls in water, it flows from one place to another place, and where it stops, there a new tree or plant grows. Seeds are carried by animals and birds also. When animals and birds eat the seeds, it comes out in their excreta, and it mixes into soil and grow into a new tree or plant. Or the seeds are carried with the help of their body parts also from one place to another place. Seeds are planted by people, or many seeds are planted by us also. So people also plant seeds for their use and for getting fresh air, fresh oxygen. For many motives, we grow seeds to grow plants and trees. Some of the crops grown in our field. We grow crops in field. Crops are grown in large quantity. When large quantity of seeds are grown at a fixed distance in a field, that use, like bajra, you can see these are bajra plants, wheat plants, rice plants, paddy. Rice plants are known as paddy. So there are many crops that are grown for our personal purpose, personal food, and also for commercial purpose. For those who are not growing them, they can get these crops from the market and use them for their food. Journey of seed from the field to the market. Now we will know about how the seed moves from field to the market. First of all, the fields are plowed with the help of plow. The plow can be pulled by bullock cart, by bullocks, or by the tractor. Seeds are sown into the soil. Sowing means बोना, बीजों को जमीन में बोना. Traditional manuring. Then when the seeds are sown in the soil, then manuring is done. Manuring means उसमें खाद डाली जाती है. Manure is manure or fertilizers give nutrition to the plants and seeds. Minerals. They get minerals and nutrition from manure. Then the crops are irrigated. Irrigated means we provide water to them. There are many techniques of watering the crops, like sprinklers. You can see the sprinklers are used in those areas where water scarcity is there, and the water is sprinkled over the crop so that with less quantity of water they can irrigate the large area. Second is drip irrigation. Drip irrigation. In drip irrigation, small holes in the pipes are made with equal distance so that each and every plant get water. Then the areas where there is no scarcity of water, the crops are irrigated from canals, and from canals the water is given to the fields with the help of small canals, and the water is provided to the crops. Weeding and transplanting. Weeding means removing the weeds from the crop. When we grow a crop, there are some unnecessary plants also grow with the crop in the field. If we do not remove them, they will take the nutrition, the water, the sunlight that is necessary for our crop, and the crop will not be healthy and good. So for a good crop we have to remove the weeds. वीड्स वो प्लांट्स होते हैं जो वेस्ट होते हैं, जो हमने नहीं उगाए हैं, उस मिट्टी में कहीं से बीज आ जाने के कारण वो उग जाते हैं और वो प्लांट्स हमारी क्रॉप का जो न्यूट्रिशन है उसे ले लेते हैं. तो ऐसे प्लांट्स को हमें रिमूव करना होता है ताकि हमारी क्रॉप को प्रॉपर न्यूट्रिशन, प्रॉपर सनलाइट एंड प्रॉपरली वाटर मिले जो हम उसे दे रहे हैं. तो द प्रोसेस ऑफ रिमूविंग द वीड्स फ्रॉम द क्रॉप इज नोन एज वीडिंग. Then transplantation. Transplantation is the process in which the small plants are transplanted from one place to another. Like in the crop of paddy के जो बीज होते हैं वो पहले एक स्मॉल एरिया में उनको उगाया जाता है और जब वो उग जाते हैं, ट्रांसप्लांट होने लायक हो जाते हैं, थोड़े से बड़े हो जाते हैं, तो उनको वहाँ से ट्रांसप्लांट किया जाता है फील्ड में. वहाँ से उनको निकाल कर और एक एक इक्वल डिस्टेंस पर एक एक करके उन्हें फील्ड में लगाया जाता है प्रॉपर डिस्टेंस पे, ताकि उन्हें सो दैट दे कैन गेट प्रॉपर स्पेस, प्रॉपर न्यूट्रिशन फॉर देयर ग्रोथ एंड अ गुड क्रॉप कैन बी ऑब्टेन्ड. So this process is known as transplantation. Harvesting of plants. Harvesting of plants is done manually as well as with the help of this combined harvester. So these are the two methods by which plants are harvested. When the crops are ripen, then they are harvested, and after harvesting, threshing of the crops is done. For threshing, the traditional method was traditionally क्या किया जाता था, उनको झाड़ा जाता था, किसी हार्ड सरफेस पे उनको बार बार मारा जाता था जिससे उनके अंदर के जो सीड्स हैं वो निकल जाते थे और भूसा अलग हो जाता था. लेकिन उसके थ्रेशर्स की हेल्प से भी इनको निकाला जाने लगा. थ्रेशर एक मशीन होती थी जिसमें एक तरफ से जब हम प्लांट्स को डालते थे तो दूसरी तरफ से भूसा और जो वो क्रॉप होती थी वो अलग अलग निकलते थे. तो थ्रेशर्स की हेल्प से इन क्रॉप से ग्रेन्स को अलग किया जाता है. उसके बाद देखिए उनको बैग्स में भरा जाता है, बोरे में, और फिर इन बैग्स को जो जितना क्रॉप्स हमें ज़रूरत होती है वो हम अपने पास स्टोर कर लेते हैं और बाकी क्रॉप्स को मंडी में बेच दिया जाता है और वहाँ मंडी से ट्रक्स की हेल्प से एक जगह से दूसरी जगह इन क्रॉप्स को रिक्वायरमेंट की जगहों पर पहुँचाया जाता है. सो दिस वाज द जर्नी ऑफ सीड फ्रॉम फीड टू द. Now we will discuss about the tools used for farming. पुराने समय में ट्रेडिशनल टूल्स होते थे, लेकिन अभी हम डिस्कस करेंगे हमारे जो न्यू टूल्स हैं, मॉडर्न टूल्स ऑफ ट्रैक्टर. A self-propelled wheeled vehicle having 2 axles, more particularly designed to pull, push, carry, operate implements and machines used for agricultural work. एग्रीकल्चरल काम के लिए, मशीन्स को लाने ले जाने के लिए, उनको कहीं पर भी चलाने के लिए और सामान को ढोने के लिए और किसी भी चीज़ को पुल या पुश करने के लिए ट्रैक्टर्स का यूज होता है. पैडी थ्रेशर, थ्रेशर मैंने अभी बताया था बेटे, थ्रेशर एक मशीन है जिसमें उस क्रॉप की जो पैडी या ये जो हमारे वीट है, इन क्रॉप्स की जो बंडल्स होते हैं उनको एक तरफ से डाला जाता है और दूसरी तरफ से उनका भूसा अलग हो जाता है और क्रॉप अलग हो जाती है। कंबाइंड हार्वेस्टर्स, पहले के टाइम में क्या होता था, पहले लोग मैनुअली क्रॉप्स को काटते थे, उसके बाद उसको थ्रेशर्स की हेल्प से सीरियल्स को अलग किया जाता था। लेकिन आजकल ये कंबाइंड हार्वेस्टर्स मशीन है बेटे, जो काटती भी हैं उनको और उनसे भूसे और गेहूं को अलग भी करती है। यूज्ड फॉर हार्वेस्टिंग एंड थ्रेशिंग ऑफ सीरियल क्रॉप्स लाइक व्हीट, पैडी एंड मस्टर्ड। ट्रांसप्लांटर, तो पहले जब हम ट्रांसप्लांट करते थे तो हाथ से करते थे, खेत में इक्वल डिस्टेंस पर एक एक प्लांट लगाकर। लेकिन ये ट्रांसप्लांटर मशीन होती है जो हमारे ट्रैक्टर की हेल्प से जिसको पुल किया जाता है और इससे प्लांट्स इक्वल डिस्टेंस पर लगाए जाते हैं। द वर्क इजियर देन रीपर, multi-crop thresher, this is also a type of thresher. Raised bed planter, raised bed planter is a machine which makes raised beds. इस तरह से बेड्स बनाती है ये raised beds, and some crops are grown in raised beds only, so this machine was used to grow those crops. So students, I think you have enjoyed it and gained knowledge from the session. Thank you.